Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipe. In this video, we are going to learn on how to create a new column based on certain conditions in Python. So sometimes at the time of data pre-processing or generally in feature engineering, this is a very crucial task. You need in feature engineering, you add new columns or create new features to make your more meaningful and it also increases the accuracy as well as score of your model. In those cases, you create a new feature, so there are some general conditions on which you create this new feature. This is where this comes in handy. So this is the code snippet. I have copied this code and I'm copying this code over here and I'm pasting that in my Jupyter notebook. I will run this code for you over here, explain to you the code as well. So you can see I've defined a new function named def kickstarter underscore example underscore 81. These are two general print statements. In order to ignore unnecessary warnings, I have imported warnings module, and from warnings.filter warning, I have written a statement ignore. I am loading my NumPy as well as pandas library. After that, I am making a data dictionary. So this contains 4 columns: name, age, pretest score, and posted score. I'm converting this data dictionary into a data frame. Under the name dfpd.dataframe, I'm using pandas data frame function. I'm giving two parameters: data, my dictionary, and my columns name. That is name, age, pretest score, and posted score. I'm printing the data frame. After that, I'm creating a new column. Yes, over here I'm creating a new column based on some features. So my first column name is elderly at the rate 50. This means np.where. I'm using a where function. So what where does, it is much faster than running a loop. So you could have also done this using a loop, that is for I in elder, for I in age. You could have written for I in age, if age is greater than 50, df elderly at the rate 50, that is the new column you are creating, should be equal to yes. If else it should be no. But it is much quicker than running a loop. So I'm using this where function. So np.where, this is a function for numpy. Df age, all the places where my df age, my age column is greater than 50, give it a yes. If it's less than 50, give it a no. Now again, elderly underscore 60, for all the places where my, or all the points where my age is greater than 60, while adding elderly underscore 60 columns and making the and filling the data point, fill it with yes. If my age is less than 60, fill it with no. The same is for 70. So you can see it created a new elderly at the rate 50 column, and the value where my age is greater than 50, it has filled that with yes, and all the values where my age is less than 50, it has filled that with no. Similarly, the same thing is applied for elderly at the rate 60, and you can see if it's greater than 60, it has been filled with yes, whereas if it is less than 60, it has been filled with no. And same for elderly at the rate 70. So this was all about the codes in this video. For real industry project, you can check these out, and the URL for this code is available below in the video. Thank you.